First night in Paris. Listen, we were hungry, all right? We needed something to eat. It was Arlo's turn to basically pick something. He went first. Now, I'm not saying he made a bad choice. We are not gonna say that. His taste palette, it just doesn't, we are not gonna say that. We're not blaming this on Arlo. We are not gonna do that. It's definitely not Arlo's fault at all. We are not gonna accuse him for something he did not. No, Arlo let us down.
Where you get your beats?
YouTube, listen, we're on our way to Paris, okay? I've never been to Paris. Matter of fact, let alone never mind, I've been to Jamaica. I don't count Hawaii, because that's still, you know what I'm saying? But I've been over the water though, you know what I'm saying? And we about to head out to Paris. WTBD, for those that don't know, that's the group that I'm a part of. WTBD is What That Brush Do, all right? It's a wave team, it's a wave group on Facebook. Come together and battle, and it's a whole little league that we do, and we battle as far as waving goes, all right? So if you're not a part of the wave community, make sure you go on Facebook and follow Elite Spins and Waves Are Life. 2 of the members on the squad is going, my wife is going. We about to head out, but let's snap and let's get there quicker. Listen, you guys probably think that I'm in Paris right now. Sorry, you're sadly mistaken. All right, here's what happened. Our flight got delayed.
Dang.
So what happened was we flew to Seattle. Okay, now we're in Seattle. And now we have to basically catch another plane from Seattle to Paris. It's currently 5:30. Our flight doesn't leave until 8:45. So we got Starbucks going right back to the terminal. I'll get at you guys when we get in Paris, okay? Let's go.
Where you get your beats?
We catch a train, then we call an Uber to the barber shop. Let me tell y'all about the barber shop. Barber shop opened us up with open arms. WTBD, what up? Listen, YouTube, we are at the Urban Barber Shop, the shave and haircuts, grooming, culture. I see, yeah, it's a bunch of words on the window here, all right? But yeah, we over here at the barber shop, about to cut up Banks and Arlo. 2 dope wavers, man. Y'all gonna get a chance to see what they waves is hitting like. Big WTBD, we out here. What that brush do, all right? Stay tuned. The only thing they did not do, and this is critical, let me tell you, they rolled out the red carpet for us, but ain't no air conditioning in there. We sweating. It's a sweatshop in there. Somebody turn the air conditioning on.
Where you get your beats?
To sit here and blow off all the sweat that Arlo is beading on his face. He don't understand. He don't know what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? He thinking that, oh, I'm getting the best service. You're not. You're not getting the best service, sir. He thinking, what an experience. This is the best experience of my life. It's hot and you're sweating. here's about the two people getting haircuts. Arlo, head straight, majestic. Every time I turn the chair around, his head stay in the same place. Did what he was told, you know what I mean? Let's talk about Banks.
Where you get your beats?
Banks can care less. He want the conversation. That's what Banks want. He don't even want a haircut. I come to the barber shop for the conversation. Anybody want to talk? Stay still, Banks. Nah, I'm cool with talking to you, but I got a camera right here. I got a job to do. Man, stay your head still, bruh.
Four o'clock, I think. I said 3 o'clock, but like, you know how we do. But we'll talk dope race when we get back to the room. Let's find out. Because what it is that we're gonna be at the. Of course not. But what it is it's the we get to the depends on how long the yeah. I think it's at 3. We said 2 o'clock, but it's really at 3 o'clock. That's what it is. So he like, what it is with him is this though. Hey, yo, Arlo, what would you do? Nah, because there's other people in here who are genuinely fool like that. Over time, he get madder and madder. He gets fed up over time. They not got his best.
God dang it! It was a task cutting Banks. Arlo, how you feeling? How you feeling? Hold on, look in the mirror. Look in the mirror.
Hey, this is the first impression. I feel like Jesus just parted the Red Sea, baby. It's clean. I'm a married man, but Paris come for me tonight. That lineup was crazy. Paris wave check, here we come.
Oh yeah, Banks.
Yo.
Listen, he got something that he don't never want to say on the channel. Listen,
The alumni.
Wavy alumni. Listen, a lot of you guys don't know. All right, in the comment section below.
Hit the site.
It's going, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna link the site right there in the comment section below. Wavy alumni. Get your t-shirts, sweaters, sweater set,
Yo, the shorts
hoodies.
is out right now.
You know what I'm saying? All of that.
It's going crazy right now.
Hit the link. Check it out. We're gonna enjoy the rest of the Paris. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera. Oh, we got a wave check. Never mind. We got a wave check to go to. Okay, that's gonna be up next. We out.
Where you get your beats?
What's up? Yes, sir. What's up? Man, check. You get it. What's up? That's it. First connection, y'all? What we doing? Do it. What that boy Greg do last time? That boy hit him like that.
grinding. Keep grinding, kid. Keep grinding. Keep grinding. Keep grinding. Trust it, kid. Nah, I see it. I see it.
Nah, bro. Bro, you gotta give them some confidence.
You're lying now. You say you can't be out here lying at all. Okay, if it's not it, it's not it. It got to Greg's turn. Everybody did the wave check. Oh. Greg had a whole explanation for everyone before he took off his rag. Listen, it's been about maybe a whole month before brushing.
Long time. Ouais. J'ai recommencé. I resume Tuesday. Parle en français. Traduis.
Everybody care, but they take the do-rag off, man. Wave check. Wave check. Wave check. Wave check. Listen, we went to the museum the next day. The museum. All right, listen, we out here in Paris at the, I don't even really know what this is, but it's a triangle, definitely a triangle we're going to. But look how it looks out here. We're looking real, I don't know why the weather just decided to do this to us. Like, why is it looking not sunny? Cold, peaceful world we living in, but look at this though. I'm gonna get a little closer. We got to see the little triangle little thing that sticks into the ground and it comes out the ground. The little triangle thing was dope. We went on a tour and it was like where we all meet in a group and basically we go from one place to the next place and she explains what this means, what this sculpture means and what that sculpture means. We got up to about 3 sculptures. About a third one, we was like, you know what? So the thing is, we decided to ditch the whole tour guide because Mirage, she's talking too much, and Banks really don't want to be here. Let's just
Tour guy don't got nothing on us. Tour guy don't got nothing on us.
Trying to give it the most energy I can give it. Take me to DC, to the Museum of Natural History, to the African American Museum. There's so much of little penises and breasts out and stuff. Already go on.
The only thing we come to the museum for is to see the Mona Lisa. I don't give a doggone about this over here. I don't give a doggone about that over there. I don't give a doggone about this wall that you're talking about, all right? I'm trying to see the Mona Lisa. Let's go.